So as we move towards Nairobi, right?
Yes.
One more thing I had a doubt, or maybe one more thing that I'd like to talk about is safety.
Yes.
So, how safe is Kenya? That's number one. And safety in two perspectives, right? Number one is financial safety.
Yes.
So if I book someone from India, I pay them. How should we go about it? That's number one, right?
Okay.
So like if we book an agent here, right?
Yeah.
So should we pay them upfront,
Yes.
or they should be aware of certain things?
Yeah.
In that case, that's one.
Uh-huh.
So that's financial safety. And once the person comes to Kenya, how safe he or she is. So that's also in a sense that can someone backpack?
Yeah.
Can someone come alone
Yes.
and travel across? So this is something I wanted to know.
So from my perspective as Sam, safety has everything to do with one, your own IQ. So if you look at the general safety of actually traveling to a different country, you will read a lot online, but until you get there and you realize that perhaps people have experiences that perhaps somebody got someplace. There was one, yes. Let's first deal with the safety of when you come here. Is it that you are safe as a person? Every place is safe, every country is safe, but we have those isolated cases of incidences that will make someone feel like they're safe, yes. But I think the bigger picture is, if at all you are already thinking of traveling and you already put up some money in terms of budget to want to travel, in the hotels you go to, it will be safe. In the destinations you go to, it will be safe. However, it is not 100% like on transit that you will meet friends everywhere, yeah? But in the different places you go to as destinations, it's going to be okay. The journey is now where things can get a bit, and depending on how you want to travel. Like from your experience perhaps, the last 3 days, you've been in the comfort of a van, boxed as you feel, but it's safe. I know there's a place I cannot stop. I know that there's a place I will stop. Then there's a place I will tell you, here I don't feel like it's okay, let's continue pushing. Because again, also, the areas I feel are not also safe for me will be the same places that will not be safe for you. So it's always good to have that contact of someone who will tell you all this information, besides reading. Then now, let's come to the financial safety. Most of the agents that are listed online, I'm sure there is a way to check whether they are accredited organization. Make sure you're dealing with accredited organizations, okay? And I think that is where the government has a list of organizations that are probably credible. Get the information right from there. There are government portals, probably there are association numbers. Somebody will give you their documentation of the organization. So that one is, but if at all somebody doesn't have a website, somebody doesn't have, it's just a WhatsApp number that can be, why would you want to put yourself in that? Same way, if at all I was to come to here, if somebody doesn't have an outfit that is, yeah, I will not just pass. So it's IQ. You look at things, see, this one is credible, let me go online, check what is there, what has been said about them. So if it looks like a duck, it quacks like a duck, it definitely is a duck. A good deal is a good deal. A bad deal is a bad one, definitely.
So if the deal is too good,
yeah,
to believe,
yes,
that's one of the red flags?
Probably yes. Because a safari, remember, I told you it encompasses about 4 aspects. There is accommodation, there is park fees, there is transport, and then there is the extra, yeah? So you can find a very cheap option. I'm not a tour operator to speak about costs and prices, but you'll find something that is way too cheap till you don't understand how can that be. Yes, so just run. Make sure that you put your money where your mouth is.